There's an elevator here that'll take you to the passageway to Hotel Ten-yu.
This is fifth floor.
Yeah, 5th floor. Otherwise, there's a long, steep hill you gotta push it over. We got the wrong stop, so make sure you get off at the right one. And we have to walk another 10 minutes. You get off the elevator. When you get off the elevator, you turn left. And there's signs here, so that make it easier for you. Ooh, it's tiring. So many passageway. This is like I think this hallway is crooked. It looks slanted. These are cute decor. We're getting close. Keep going straight. First floor is the reception.
Over there.
So just go to it's kind of confusing, but go into the elevator.
This is 5.
Yeah, go to number 5. Over there.
I think it's different.
So this floor is the reception. Shoes off. Always take your shoes off before entering.
Hi guys, so we're here right now at Hotel Ten-yu. It's a onsen hotel in Hakone. And if you don't know, Hakone is an onsen town in Japan. So this is the washroom. You have your toilet separate. And then over here you have your shower and just the sink. Here's the shower. It's pretty tiny. And over here, these are your amenities. You got a lot of different creams in here, a gel, makeup cleansing oil, and a hand wash. Then here they give you amenities like you get 2 shower cap, hairbrush, razor, and I don't know what this is. Oh, it has a plastic lining. This is for your clothes that are wet. Isn't that cool? And here, toothbrush and some pads. What else in here? This one opens up to a hair dryer. You don't need to bring your own hair dryer. You have a chair in here, so if you want to get ready and do your makeup, you can do it here. And then over here you have your towels. You have a basket for dirty towels. And let's move on to the main area. So there's a door in here. You can close this if you want. Let's go inside and check it out. You have a wardrobe in here. Oh, so you do have like a rope here, a kimono, I think. And then here's the bottom. I think it opens. This one has 2, I'd say twin beds. These are 2 twin beds. You have your control in the middle if you wanted to. What is this? Oh, lights. It's the room. And then there's a bed. Oh, there's lights for the bed. There you go. And then here you have a dining area, but also you also have this couch over here. And this is your entertainment area. They give you kimonos in here, and there's a size chart. So whatever if you're an adult or a child, you can pick the right size for you. Give your feet. Oh, the socks have a hole for the toe. It's so funny. But yeah, but this is what they are. And here, if you look at here, orange means small. So this tags over here is the size of your kimono. So choose accordingly. Let's close that. This one is the safe. And then they give you 2 bottles of water and something to make your tea. And then over here, there's a smart feature here. I don't know what it is. I think it's just for lights, an alarm clock if you want. Then there's the phone, press 9 for reception. And then here you have a fridge. Nothing in here, so that's good. And you have your cups for tea. So they provide you with green tea. And what is this? Drip coffee. Drip coffee, tea and cream and powder. Close that. And then let's get to the fun part. So there is a balcony here. This balcony, you get free slippers because it gets wet in here. So over here you have your onsen tub. But what's cool about this is you have 2 options here. You can add just normal water, but since it's really cold during fall time, you might want to click the spring water. If you click this, it opens up for 3 minutes, and we'll check that out later. And then you have this I don't know what this is. Maybe you can get some water here, or maybe you can use it to pour water in your hair or your head. Use it there. And then you have this relaxing egg chair here. I'm trying that. I hope I don't fall. So just relaxing in here in the morning. And then over here, if you don't feel secure enough, there's a privacy blinds here. And you can control this manually.
Work those arms.
See that?
So left, we turn it left, it goes down.
Now no one's gonna see you. And then there's also one over there. And you know, just to relax your feet, there's a chair with the footrests in here if you want to. And then just show them the view.
So peaceful.
So in here it says 15 minutes and the other one over there says 3 minutes, but we'll try this one.
Default is off. Yeah.
Oh, that's water. That's cold water. I don't want cold. Click this. And then hot spring water is coming out. See that? That's hot spring water. Really hot actually. Don't like this one. This is really cold. So maybe if you want a cold bag, you can try this one. But over here, gotta fill the tub. This is about 6 minutes to fill it. So I guess you need like about 20 minutes to fill this. So just do that and keep that in mind if you wanna take a hot bath. Just fill it 20 minutes before. And yeah.
What is this? This is a chart of all of the different minerals in the hot spring water. So that was small buffet with sukiyaki beef, your own poke bowl, red miso soup, and creme brulee. There's a lot more too.
Oh, and the rice
Onigiri.
rice bowl made by the chef.
Wow.
I'm gonna try what it is. Has fish in it.
It's made fresh too. So here, it's almost ready. I get a bit rare. I'm gonna get some of my raw beef. With this sauce here, I'm pretty sure it's an egg, raw egg mixed ready for us. So I'm gonna this cup. Put that in there. Wow, that melts in your mouth. Limit-free alcohol. Dessert round. Oh, it's raining right now. This is the timetable for the shuttle bus. Money exchange. Chicken desk. This is all the lounge area. There's the ATM, and they have a souvenir shop. Also another coffee bar over here. You get free coffee. It's only black coffee though. Not sure what the 1 and 2 means, but it's just black coffee. Over here you get the free ice cream. And then this is the restaurant area. Then over here you have your free teas. On the 5th floor you have one of the spas. Over there. Oh, the floors. First floor is maybe another bar. Oh, that's a fish cake.
Okay. I like this one a lot. I'm just getting the ones that I haven't tried.
That's egg.
Some truffle?
Oh, truffle. Oh, truffle oil. Yeah, ask for that.
Yeah, I'll ask for that.
And then okay, sorry. Alright. First course, French toast, snow crab, miso soup, and a chirashi bowl. Squid, shrimp, eggs. Meal number 2, some fish cake, beef with miso, French toast, pancakes. Their pancakes are made by a machine, which is pretty cool. A beef soup, and a seafood soup with shrimp and scallops.